Good morning, everyone. Team Nova Think welcomes you all. Today, I am here to talk about the future of transportation, the Certified Electric Vehicle Mechanic Training Program. The world is quickly moving toward the electric vehicles or EVs. They are cleaner, quieter, and better for our environment. But one their major issue is we don't have enough skilled mechanics to repair and maintain them. Most of the today mechanics only know how to fix petrol and diesel engine, but EVs are different. They run on battery, sensor, and complex electronics. So when an EV breaks, it often knows nearby who can fix it. This skill gap is a growing problem. Our idea is to start a special training institute for EV mechanics. We will train both young students and experienced mechanics who will become expert in EV technology.
They will learn how to handle batteries safely, maintain electric motors, and use modern diagnostic tools. After completing the course, they will receive a certification that helps them get high-paying, future-ready jobs. To support them further, we will also create a tool rental system so graduates can borrow costly diagnostic tools from the institute until they can afford their own. In short, our idea builds a bridge between today's mechanic and tomorrow's mechanic, and it empowers people with skills, sports, clean transportation, moves our country one step closer to a sustainable and electric future. Thank you.